Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. Today's video I'm going to show you a step-by-step procedure how to answer your ARI wallet daily quiz, and as I promised to provide a daily quiz for ARI wallet. So today we are on 12th March 2025. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. So let's go direct. Let's start with testnet. So here we are in testnet. So let's claim our daily point. Yes, that's great. So let's go and claim our daily quiz for ARI wallet. Here is today's quiz. So today's quiz. So today's quiz step is just a simple answer, like if you're in Web3 or if you're in crypto, like you are a serious crypto or you are a serious in Web3. So that means this answer won't be like very hard for you or won't be hard. So it is very easy. So intermediates, which of the following is not a public blockchain? So which of the following here it is? It is not a public blockchain. So as we can see, as we know that Bitcoin and Ethereum are the public blockchain, except Hyperledger Fabric. So Hyperledger Fabric is not a public blockchain. So let's click on checking. So congratulations to us, we have clicked on the correct answer. So here that's it. So as I promised to provide a video for a ARI wallet daily. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video. And then again, I should provide a video guide how to verify your ARI wallet step by step.